Hello everyone, this is a first impression video of the Samyang 24mm f1.4 lens that I just received. Full review will come perhaps in a few months time since the place I live in is back in lockdown right now. I'm not quite sure when I can get enough sample images. Firstly, it has a beautiful build quality as always, very solid from material to construction, quite hefty in hand. Zoom ring is very smooth and aperture ring is clicked, which will avoid accidentally change aperture mid-shooting handheld. I got this lens for Canon EOS mounts, which means I can adapt it to both my Sony cameras and my GH5. Essentially, it becomes 2 or even 3 different lenses when used in different combinations. First of all, I really wanted the f1.4 aperture at 24mm, a very wide angle on my A7S II, which fills in for the missing spot from my Tamron 28 to 75mm f2.8 lens. I can't wait to shoot photos as well as videos with this combo, even vlog. The image quality is gorgeous, the bokeh is very beautiful, however, the bokeh ball demonstrates very heavy cat eye shape towards the edge. I can also mount it on my A6200 to get a field of view equals to about 35mm in full frames terms, which is very nice all-around prime lens focal length. The image out of it shows much better distortion control comparing to a cheap lens such as newer 25mm f1.8. When mounted on my GH5 with speed booster, the performance of the lens is a bit all over the place. Sometimes it is sharp, and sometimes it creates a very dreamy-like soft effect, and the bokeh ball out of this combo is just hideous, really weird and darkened, probably due to the extra lens element in the speed booster. Therefore, I got a dumb adapter for it, and the 24mm focal length becomes a 48mm full frame equivalent. Again, a very useful focal length, even for portrait. Therefore, now I can use this lens for 3 different purposes. And this time, indeed, the bokeh balls return normal and the image looks as good as ever. The performance seems similar to my Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens on GH5. I'd love to test it out between these two. Also, I will test the bokeh against the Tamron 28 to 75mm f2.8 lens and the newer 25mm f1.8 lens in my full review. Can't wait to go out and shoot with it. Stay tuned.